How terrifying is it when human body become weapon? Human eye can see the man imager. Human hands can turn into gun. With barrel in the palm, ammunition lost through the upper arm. The mouth is deadliest with one sneak. It 5,000 of nano blade.
喷射几千数纳米刀刃。
The blade drill into an enemy as not and threat. Brand instantly. ZXD 2018 film upgrade about humans implanting technology into their body. Am81 Red SCP game. It starts smart, turn thrilling, 10 twist hard, let us begin. In 2033, high technology covers the world, and driverless get the chip, ẩn ý flat surface can become a screen.
科技的钢爪甚至伸进了人的肉体。
And take pictures into human flesh, money accepted for convenience. On man refu and resist high tech. He loves solving problem with his own hand. The old-fashioned way. He recently met the AI company as billionaire. Boss, Ascendman WHO keep close. Look at him doesn't he almost seem like God? On day, the boss showed him the world's most advanced new technology. This is an artificial brain, stronger than every human brain combined.
芯片，他说这是一个人工大脑，比全世界所有人的大脑加起来还要厉害。
Another thing that irritates humanity take it away. Soon after, disaster find him while he ride home with his wife. Their smart car suddenly low control, leave navigation, and accelerate by itself, no matter what they command. The car ignore them and drive somewhere. Stranger at last, it flip over in a poor district somehow. They survive. 10 much stranger appear.
他们很幸运，没有死。
Dragging the couple from the car like it was grenade. The leader shoot the woman dead. The man scream, but they hold him down.
为首的人直接一枪打死了女人，男主发疯大喊，但他们抓住他。
Another gunfight into his neck after the pain. He cannot move at all. They tuck liver.
男主发现自己一点都不能动，
And he can't even grow to hold his wife's hand. He survived, but after 3 months.
从天堂一下落入地狱。男主活了下来，但受伤极重。3个月后，男主全身瘫痪，下半辈子只能在轮椅上度过。
He paralyzed and trapped in a wheelchair. His mother installed home machine to help him lie, but he doesn't take one life. He won driven, but at the police station, they say they can't help. We haven't found a single criminal back home. Even batting and serving need his mother at help. That bear cruised him. After she left, he ordered the machine arm to inject painkillers repeatedly. He restored it, but the AI called the hospital and saved him. At his delicate moment, the AI billionaire unexpectedly come to visit. He can help you stand again. With the chip is so ill. This surgery had never been done. baby. That subject. With nothing left to lose, he agreed the secret operation happened at the boss at home. The brain chip is implanted into his spine.
进行智脑芯片被植入了男主的脊椎
And when he wakes, he can move. In minutes, he can say his name. Tenzun at full speed with it.
手，然后他也可以站起来了。10分钟不到，他就连签名也没有了问题。20分钟后，他可以跑步了，甚至把速度调到最快，也轻轻松松。
The boss wants him that no one can know about. The surgery on home. He immediately investigate Riven is now his first priority. Even the police found nothing, so he can't see ẩn ý clue either. Just that profession built. A low voice out inside his ear.